Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chris here. Now that I'm officially a United States Marine veteran with the respective license plate to follow, resident of Florida now. Yeah, so my wife went ahead and picked up my license plate cover, or my license plate. However, it looks a little barren, huh? What's it missing? It's missing an actual cover, so what we went ahead and did was bought one of those tinted type of covers, which is going to be beneficial because I don't know if you guys can tell, but right here it's actually bending already. So flapping through the wind, not too good. So what we went ahead and did was bought these off of Amazon. I'll leave it down in the description below, the link of where we bought it. Pretty self-explanatory, just a couple little screws right there. All you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver, which is what I have. So let's go ahead and swap it out and see what it looks like. So to give you guys an overview of what it's going to look like, so here we have the plain license plate. We're going to go ahead and throw that inside of the cover, which now gives it that tinted look, kind of a 3D pop towards it. And then on top of that, we're going to go ahead and throw on this license plate frame. So it's going to look pretty nice and unique once it sits up on the car. A lot better than the bland license plate itself. And once all that's on, go ahead and clip these little bad guys on right here and you should be good to go. Cleans it up nicely. And there you have it. Alright, what do you think? I think the darker tone adds with everything else I have. Blacked out taillights, blacked out emblems. And now I have a shaded license plate cover with a little motivated twist on the side. So there you go. Pretty nice and simple, easy install that anybody can do who wants to add a little unique character towards their license plates. Alright, so do me a favor, guys. If you guys did enjoy this nice little install video, easy going, go ahead and smash that like button. Helps the channel out a lot. And then I do have some future content coming up for this thing, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that little notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date on what's going on with my car, the life, and things like that. So with that being said, never live your life on idle, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.